Hello, Glory family gangs. Welcome back. Welcome back. It's been a while. How are you guys doing today? To my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm so grateful. And to my new subscribers, welcome to the family, and I'm glad to have you here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this quick, simple roasted oven make chicken I made on Easter Day. So I was thinking, what new, what's anything new can I make for my family? Just a quick one. I don't want to make anything complicated like making jollof rice and all that. I just needed something quick. And they said, okay, let me just give this a try, and it came out very nice. I filmed it and I said, let me show to you guys how I made this with simple ingredients in your house. You don't need anything complicated. You don't need to even go to the supermarket. If you just have any little thing and a whole chicken, you can just make it. Even if your chicken is sliced or any way your chicken is, you can do it as well. Even with chicken breast, you can do this as well. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Let's go right into the video. So first thing I'm going to be adding to my chicken, I already added lemon. I added my lemon and ginger powder, and I added my garlic as well. Yeah, I added my lemon off camera, guys. Yeah, and then I added my chicken seasoning. I have a video where I went shopping for that seasoning, guys. The video will be up soon, so watch out for that. So after adding up my chicken seasoning, then I added one seasoning cube. I added a seasoning cube to it, and then I make sure my spice goes around my chicken and everything is well incorporated into the chicken, so no part is left out. I hate when my chicken tasteless. You can see that my chicken is kind of rough. Yeah, I'm the one who I use my knife to tear it a little bit so that my spice will get into it. Then I added one onion inside. Added onion inside, and then I put it inside the oven. Yeah, 200 degrees, and I left it to stay for 30 minutes, depending on how you like it. Sometimes I leave it for 20 minutes. I don't just want it dry. Yeah, and here I have my Irish potatoes. I only added salt and black pepper to it, and then I just mixed everything up and put them in the oven with the chicken to cook. Yeah, and then we move over to the salad. I have my carrots. I have here my carrots, my cucumber, and my cabbage. And I will be using my grater to grate my carrot and my cucumber to tiny pieces, because my kids don't want to be seen. They don't like to eat it when the carrot especially is big. So I'll be adding my powder salad dressing and half a lemon. I'll be adding half a lemon and the salad dressing to it to give it a taste. This kind of dressing is in Germany, but I don't know how to call it in English, so I would just say it is salad dressing actually, because when you put it, you don't even need anything like salad cream or anything. It has all the taste. If you want to add extra salt, you can, but it does the magic, okay? It's give it the perfect taste. Yeah, my salad is ready, guys. As you can see, I'll just stir it up very well. Stir it up and make sure my salad dressing gets in every of the salad. So yeah, my salad is ready. Yeah, I did use half of the cabbage, and I used two carrots, and then I added one carrot again to it because I love carrots. Okay, I love carrots. So sometimes, guys, you can also add sweet corn on anything you prefer to eat. just your choice. Do what you like, okay? Yeah, this is just my own way how I did it. It doesn't mean it's the way you have to do it. Just showing you guys what I did and how I make a quick meal for my family on this Easter Sunday. So my potatoes are just crispy and ready, just the way we love them, okay? And yeah, voila, my food is ready in just a few minutes, okay? My food was ready to eat and I really loved it. I enjoyed it. It's delicious. I didn't expect it to come out this way. And yeah, normally I will have to marinate my chicken until the next morning. But yeah, I forgot to do that. And yeah, still it came out delicious and I love it. Okay. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share to friends. Make this channel popular guys, okay? If you don't subscribe, what do you gain? Subscribe and join the family. Thank you. Bye.